I'm Chris. We had a very creative day.
Hello, I'm Panos from Greece. Out Past the Borders 2010, Berlin.
I'm Poppy from Greece. Hello.
Hello, aus Deutschland, aus Berlin. Welcome to Berlin.
Hi, I'm Mugne and I come from Lithuania, and this is the thing we did.
Yo, this is Alex in Berlin 2010 representing Zoltan Tribe.
Hello, this is Bill from Greece, here in Berlin.
And this is Asia here from Hungary, doing a lot of things it never done before.
Hello, I'm Inka Dink. I'm from Sweden.
Hello, I'm Heidi from Hungary, Art Past the Borders.
Hi, my name is Sandra from Sweden.
Hello, my name is Urali. I'm from Lithuania.
Hi, my name is Giedre. I'm from Lithuania. It's cool.
Hello, Labas. I am from Lithuania. Tadas.
Hi, I'm Victor from Hungary. Art Past the Border. It's working.
Hi, this is Davile. This is fun stuff we made. Enjoy it.
Hi, this is Nile from Sweden. G-Town baby, make chai, not war.
Yo, what up, Game Boy in this? Representing Power Rangers family, and this is our border.
What's up, what's up? I want to give a big shout out to Sweden. We're in Berlin.
You all know your lyrics?
We learn how to make graffiti, how to rap, and how to use DJ equipment.
Our lyrics was about intolerance for differences, because actually in Lithuania we have really little of immigrants.
That we are from the same planet and we should treat ourselves right, and that we should listen to love.
Können die Dinge verändern, bringen die Wende, weil das verkehrt ist. Seit diesem Moment sind sehr viele Jahre vergangen, solange mein Herz mit Waffen.
Quem só reconhece o meu flow, não é com esse never, never, never know.
Pamiršta pažvelgti giliau, jie mato tik spalvą ir nieko daugiau. Būkim pasaulio karaliai, totaliai,
broliai šaunuoliai,
viskas normaliai.
Būkim pasaulio
karaliai, totaliai,
broliai šaunuoliai,
viskas normaliai.
Laikas.
One love, that's what Molly says. Lift your hands up and show the world you care. One love, that's what Molly says. Lift your hands up and show the world you care. One love, that's what Molly says. Lift your hands up and show the world you care. One love, that's what Molly says. Lift your hands up and show the world you care.
From me, like during the week we all stay together, we eat together, everything. Like to all participants from Hungary, from Sweden, from Greece, and from Lithuania. Thank you all.
I want to congratulate everyone